It's frozen. I was supposed to eat it yesterday, and I'm probably going to have to let it thaw a little bit. But
gonna tease you up there. It's gonna tease you.
Oh, that's good. His question was, do you guys give us your actual trading plans? And it was a two-part question. You guys give out your exact trading plans. Akil and I are happy to tell you exactly what we do. Our account sizes vary, and so there are differences in the trading plan, but the ROE for the rules and what patterns we trade, what type of structure plays we do, I have no issue with telling you any of that stuff. And then the other question is, do we post our personal track records? The answer is absolutely not. My personal trading records are my own. That's why I did the Varengold Trader Challenge. That's why we have a live room. The live room track record is a real-time live room track record for the last 21 months. And that is available to you on the order page. When you click on that, if you scroll down, it will show that to you. So that's the way we do it. Any other comments on that?
No, I would say this. Like, one thing about the trading plan is, we'll share with you, especially all the technicals of it, ROEs, and take you through how to build it. But a lot of the trading plan is also it's personal, especially the philosophy and psychological sections of it. So you want to, one thing why I don't give my exact trading plan to everyone, I know you don't do the same, is because we don't just want you to go through it and just change the name at the top from Jason Stapleton's trading plan to John Smith. You want to develop it yourself throughout the training, and especially that philosophy and psychology part. That's important, because that's the section that really fires me up. As I'm big on positive affirmations, and I like to read through that psychology section that tells me, hey, this is what type of trader I am. This is why I trade. These are my goals, and that kind of fires me up each day to go. And my goals are going to be different from yours. So some of what I believe in, why I'm trading, is going to be different from yours. So you want to make that part really personal to yourself. But we'll talk all about that during the course.
Nazar says, guys, I have been trading for 3 years and consistently losing money. I am now at about break even, but still not making consistent profits despite being more patient, focused, and disciplined. Maybe too patient at times. I have great months and poor months, making money and then giving it back. Thoughts? Well, I have many thoughts. Here's what I would say is, what does your trading plan say you should be producing? What does the historical performance of your trade plan say that you should be making? Because if you haven't done that, it doesn't, as I've always said, look, you've got to have a profitable trading strategy, because if you're disciplined with an unprofitable strategy, all you're going to do is lose money. Consistently. You will be consistently losing money. That's exactly what you said. So the first question I would say is, you've got to put together a trading plan that produces a specific profit. Then you look at, okay, am I following the plan? If you're following the plan and your plan is supposed to produce a profit, then you should be making money. If you're not making money at that point, it goes to position sizing. It actually goes to the money management process, which means that you may be increasing your position size too quickly. And then you take a big loss, and instead of trading through that loss or dialing back your position size when you should, you end up doubling down again or making irrational emotional decisions in the market. That goes to both your knowledge of money management and also your trade discipline. So my thoughts are, I don't have any idea what's wrong with you, but I know it's got to be one of 2 or 3 things, or maybe all 3. But there's only a few things, if you've got a profitable trading strategy, that can be hindering you.
Yeah, I agree with the money management. I was stuck in that cycle for a while of being a consistently break-even trader. I'd have a great month. I'd return like 10% on a month or 13%. Right away, double my money management, because I didn't really know any better. I'd just say, hey, I had a good month. Let's add position size so I can make more money. And I'd have a losing month. And guess what? I'd blow double of it. I'd lose even more and be stuck at break even. The one thing I would add is you need a process to evaluate your trading. You need to, one thing I do is I sit down at the end of every day, at the end of every week, every month, and I go through this process of my trades. I say, hey, did I make a mistake? I talked about this earlier in the while I was sharing my story with you guys during